We're learning dividing a two-digit number in a different way as the previous one we have learned. But first of all, let's use these arrays to help answer each division problem. 20 divided by 5. All you have to do is to cross the 5s until they're all done. Cross the 5s and then count how many 5s crossed. So here 4. 35 divided by 5, cross the 5s and count how many 5s crossed. Here we have 7. 18 divided by 9, cross the 9s and count how many 9s crossed. Here we have 2. So by crossing, it means we are taking away this number, like 32 divided by 4. Now we're crossing the 4s. And it can be possible by taking away the 4s, and we are taking away from 32 the 4s until we reach 0. So 32 divided by 4 equals 32 minus 4, and that equals 28. 28 minus 4. If we don't have an array, we have to use the subtraction. But now we are crossing the 4s and then counting how many 4s crossed. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 30 divided by 3, now cross 3s and then count how many 3s crossed. I just can't cross them. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you already know that 10 times 3 equals 30. Then 30 divided by 3 equals 10, because division is the reverse of multiplication. Now, as we started learning multiplication, we learned multiplication by adding numbers. So 3 times 4, it meant to add 3 4 times. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 3 times 4 means we're adding the 3 4 times. Now in division, we can do the same. 12 divided by 3. Look, we can take away 6. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Because we know that 3 times 2 equals 6. Now 6 minus 6, another 6 equals 0. Now here we have 2 3s and here we have 2 3s. So that equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, take this example, 36 divided by 2. Instead of counting back in 2s and then counting how many 2s did you count back, we can subtract 6, then subtract the 30. Subtract the 6 first. So 36 minus 6 equals 30. Then 30 minus 30 equals 0. How many 2s in 6? We have 3 2s. How many 2s in 30? You know that 15 times 2 equals 30. So we have 3 plus 15, that equals 18. So we can stick to our division way that in this kind of question, such as splitting this number into 57 divided by 3, we can use our original way, which is equals 57 has 30 and 57 minus 30. So 57 minus 30 equals 27. Then you say, what times 3 equals 30? It's 10. What times 3 equals 27? That equals 9. So the answer is 10 plus 9. So it's the same, but instead of splitting, we say it's minus. So take away 40 here. 52 minus 40, because you know that 10 times 4 equals 40, and now 52 minus 40 equals 12. Now 12 minus 12 equals 0. And you know that 3 times 4 equals 12. So here we have 10 and here we have 3. So the answer is 13. Now we're going to stick with our way. So 95 minus 50, and that equals, we're taking the answer and putting it here. So 95 minus 50 equals 45. Now 45 minus 45 equals 0. Now you ask yourself, how much do you multiply 5 by to get 50? And what times 5 equals 45? Here we have 10 times 5 equals 50, and 9 times 5 equals 45. So the answer is 19. Again, all you have to do is to subtract 60 from 72. (72 minus 60 equals 12. And you know that 10 times 6 equals 60, and 2 times 6 equals 12. So the answer is 10 plus 2, which is 12. Now in question 2, you have to check your division answers by multiplying the numbers. So we can multiply in D, multiply the answer, which is 12, times the number we're dividing by, times 6. Now 6 times 2 equals 12, and 6 times 10 equals 60. So 12 plus 60 equals 72. So our division is correct. Now here we splitted the 95 into 50, and the remainder, 95 minus 50 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50, and 9 times 5 equals 45. So the answer was 19. To check for C, we have to multiply 19 by 5 because multiplication is the reverse of division. Now 5 times 9 equals 45, plus 5 times 10 equals 50. So 45 plus 10 plus 50 equals 95. And our answer is correct. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much.